Welcome to How to Earn Money Chatting with Strangers tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money through Working Solutions website. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So how does that work? So on website, there's a lot of different works that you can do, and one of them is through texting and email support. So you will be paid for every minute that you work in this website. So the more that you work, the more that you get money. And you will be paid anything from 20 cents to 35 cents per minute. That means you can get between $400 to $800 if you are consistent. So how you apply for jobs in this website? Actually, if you open the website, you will see apply to work from home, and then you will click on it and you'll be in this site. Then here you can apply to become a remote customer service agent with Working Solutions. You will click on it. So what you will get working with Working Solution, you can work from home, work when it's convenient for you, so you can work anytime you want. You can gain experience in different industries. You will not need to specifically work in texting, but it's the best thing that you can do. So you can get $9 plus an hour in this work, and you can schedule your work. The skills that you need is to be sincerely desired to assist the customer, tech-savvy and avid computer user, ability to multitask and navigate multiple systems, communicate with a friendly tone and professional demeanor. You will need a quiet working environment and an organized one. So you will need a personal computer and a stable network connection, Windows 10 or 11 system, and a wired microphone. So after that, when you're applying, you can upload your resume and apply with LinkedIn. You can put your first name, last name, email address, mobile phone, then enter your country, street address, city, and the state, and here you will check I am not a bot, and submit your application. They will respond to you from 24 hours or less. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.